morning and welcome to the Casual Chef Kitchen. It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday morning. Last night, I did a wonderful Indian dish, green peas and potato curry. As you can imagine, my house and kitchen smelled just wonderful. Yeah, the garam masala, my garam masala, and all the other spices that go into this dish. This is a really good vegetarian dish. Yes, I will definitely get this posted up for you to try and enjoy in your home. Tonight I'm doing a pasta with chicken and mushroom creamy sauce. Yes, let's get to it. Got the hardware going. Got the Dutch oven for the pasta. Good old saute pan for the chicken and mushrooms. Doing a tricolor rotini. It's fun with the colors. Got a couple chicken thighs. Of course, some mushrooms, baby bellas. A little bit of olive oil pumice. Some little bit of chicken stock. I'm going to dice up this shallot. And it'll have some garlic, of course. Heavy cream. My Italian seasoning blend. So this is the Casual Chef Italian seasoning blend. A little bit of red pepper chili flakes. Some Parmesan. And some Italian Italian parsley for some garnish. So here's the goodies for tonight's meal. Getting some light. Yes. So on this Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.